Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I picked up a few products from Ulta and I wanted to share the products that I picked up with you guys, products that I'm going to be testing out. There is body care, there is makeup, there is skincare. So if you are interested in all of the products that I picked up from my latest Ulta trips, just keep on watching. So I hope that you guys are doing great today. I have so many good products to show you guys and they've been sitting in my beauty room in the bag and I've been dying to play with these products, but I was just like, no, I need to show the girlies what I picked up first before I use it. So let's start off with body care. I don't think that this one, I'm not sure if EOS is at Ulta, but I just wanted to show it here really quickly. I picked up the Creme de Pistachio body lotion. I ordered it, I think from Amazon because I just didn't feel like hunting it down. And then I think like a few days later I went to Target and they had a bunch of them in stock. This is a must have. That's a must-have lotion right there. It is that nutty pistachio ice cream gourmand sweet scent. You can layer this with any pistachio perfume, or if you want to add a pistachio touch to any perfume combo that you're doing, this is perfect and very moisturizing. So I'm happy to add this to my body care collection. Next up, I also picked up 2 body serums. So first off, we have Naturium, which this one is the Urea 5% body serum, and this is an advanced barrier support for all day hydration. It's fragrance free. It has urea 5% glycerin and vegan amino acids. So this is going to be one that I'm going to start testing very soon in my shower routines. I need to do an empties video because I have used so many products and I want to update you guys on the ones that are worth it, the ones that are not worth it. That's going to be something that I film very soon. But yeah, this is going to be something that I'm going to be trying out and updating you guys on it. I also picked up the Tree Hut Vanilla Hydro Glow body serum as well, and I saw that this has a really nice consistency. I saw girls putting it on TikTok with their fragrance routines and looked beautiful. So this is also one that I am going to be the consistency of this one is very thin, but it feels very moisturizing and it smells really good. So I'm very guys, that is pretty. That is so pretty, and it's a little bit more lightweight. It doesn't feel thick like a moisturizer or a body butter, but it feels super hydrating on the skin. So I'm very excited about those. And now I'm gonna go ahead and share some skincare that I picked up. So I have this, I think this is a mini size. Yeah, this is a travel size, but this is the Anua Niacinamide 10 TXA4 serum. I have the bigger bottles of the PDRN and the azelaic acid of this, but I wanted to try the niacinamide. I love niacinamide for texture on my skin. It is like a miracle ingredient for my skin where it just smooths the texture of my skin and it just gets rid of any clogged pores, any little bumps that you might have. So this one, I'm not sure how much percentage. Oh, it's 10% niacinamide, so I'm already used to that amount. And it also has arbutin and TXA, so I think this one's really good for hyperpigmentation and dark spots on the skin, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm very excited to try this. I also picked up the Cocoa Kind Revitalizing Eye Cream. I picked this up and then like 2 days later I received a PR package from them. So now I have 2 of these. I have heard so much about this eye cream on TikTok that I just had to try it out, because anytime that I'm looking at a skincare video and they start talking about eye creams, this always comes up. So it has a metal applicator, so I'm very excited about that. I like to use these to kind of like massage my eye area, so very excited to see how this works out for me. And I also picked up the Cocoa Kind Calming Magnesium Mist. I just finished up my Bioma facial mist, which is a favorite. I love it and I will repurchase. So I wanted to try something different, so I picked this one up. This one is a barrier support. It's supposed to clarify and refresh, and it has really good calming ingredients for your skin. So hopefully this one works just as good as the Bioma one. Very excited about this. I'm going to be taking this upstairs today because I don't have that many mist up there since I ran out of my Bioma one. And then since I have been tanning a lot, as you can see, but I don't tan my face. So I tan my body even though I still wear SPF, but my face is like, no, we're not tanning our face. I put a lot of sunscreen on, so my face is definitely more pale than the rest of my body. So I picked up these Dolce Glow Hydrating Self Tanning Serum drops. I've been hearing that this gives you a really nice tan color without it looking orange or any weird undertone. It just looks really nice. I'm also going to include this in my night routine to see if it gives my face some color. So I'm very, very excited about that. We have a lot of makeup. Oh, we have some fragrance, so let's go into that. I haven't even opened these, so I want to go over them with you guys. So I picked up 2 scents. I picked up Lake and Sky 1111 Lychee and Juicy Couture Just Moi. I think that's what it says, but I got these both in travel size. I saw that they were new. I kind of got intrigued by them, so I'm gonna go ahead and just spray this. I don't even know the notes. I don't know nothing. I just want to see how it smells. This is the Juicy Couture Just Moi. This smells so good. It's kind of reminding me of Ariana Grande's Cloud Pink with a little bit more like fizziness to it, or like a little bit more happy and like flirty. Cloud Pink mixed with another type of fragrance, like a maybe like that citrusy vibe in Blooming Bouquet where it feels bright. That's what I'm getting with this, and I'm really liking this. I have really good luck with Juicy Couture, so I'm very excited about this one. And right now, off of first impressions, this is so good and girly, like shopping girl day type of fragrance. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. We have the Lake and Sky 1111. Like, it still has the plastic on it because I have not tried these. So this one is 1111 Lychee, which I've been wanting to get the 1111. I don't know the names, but there's a few different ones and they all smell really, really good. So here is the travel size, and I'm gonna go ahead and try this one over here. That is really good too. It smells similar to something that I've had or something that I currently have in my collection. So I don't know if this is something that I would keep or purchase in full size. Smells like something that I have. It's really nice. It's really girly. You can definitely smell like a little bit of tart lychee vibes from it. I definitely prefer the Juicy Couture one. This one's not bad at all, but it's not really blowing me away like that. Now we're gonna go into beauty. I picked up some more of my favorite press-on lashes. These are the Ardell pressed-on lashes. These are the Winks. I've already gone through one of them. These are just the easiest lashes that you can put on. It takes me like less than 5 minutes to do both eyes, and they just look so nice. I don't feel them on, and I can wear them either on a daily basis if I want some lashes, or if I'm gonna go out and I want like a glam look. They will work for either of those. I also picked up some more of these Naked lashes, and this time I got the 424. I usually get 421, but I wanted to try these out. I think I've had these before and I really like them. They have a beautiful curl to them, and these look very natural and fluffy and wispy on the eyes. One of my favorite lashes. I also picked up these Glamnetic nails. This is about to be week 2 for me with these nails, and this one is in the pastel yellow. I've never done this type of color on my nails, but I wanted to try something new and I really, really like it. So they are short almond nails, and this is my favorite press on brand. Next up, I picked up the Maybelline Colossal Bubble Mascara, and I got it in the waterproof version, and I still don't know how I feel about this mascara. I already tried it. I just left it in the packaging. I will say I think I'm gonna let this one dry out a little bit before I judge it, because it was a little too wet for my liking. So it wasn't really holding up a curl as much as I would like. I have to get them waterproof because my lashes do not hold a curl. So I'm gonna let it dry a little bit and then try it out again and see if I prefer it after it dries. I picked up some of the e.l.f. Buildable Stain for lips and cheeks. This is the Sheer For It blush tint, and I picked up 2 shades. So I started off with Pink Positive, which I ended up falling in love with. This is perfect for any day that you're not wearing makeup and you just want to put a little bit of color on your cheeks and your lips. This is a must-have. it's natural looking, like it doesn't look like you put something on your face. So it's great for those no makeup days. And then I picked up a cherry cola, and I have not tried this one yet, but I just wanted to get another color since I really enjoy the formula. It's very thin. The packaging is so cute, and as you can see, the product inside is very thin. It's just so easy to apply. It's affordable, and you will get the most beautiful stain. So lately I've been loving to do a lip stain before I even go in with lip liner or a lipstick. That way I already have a nice kind of tone to my lips and just makes them look really nice. I also picked up the Morphe Shape Lifter Micro Contour Stick, and I already tried this as well. I picked it up in the shade Refined, and this right here, I didn't know if I needed it, but I already tried it and I am in love with this for nose contour. And also, if you're trying to do like a really quick eyeshadow look and you're trying to run out the door, you're not trying to waste too much time, you can literally just swipe this all over your eyes, blend it out, and you're good to go, because I did do that the other day and it worked out perfectly. So I got it in the shade Refined, which is right here. This is a really nice addition to my makeup. For contour, I also picked up the About Face New Contour. This one is the Beach Freak bronzer stick, and I got it in the shade Beach Goth. I have not tried this one yet, but the packaging is really cute, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it compared to the Refined from Morphe. So here is the About Face. It's definitely a little bit lighter than the Refined. This went on so smooth. This is going to blend out so beautifully on the face. I'm very excited to try this out next time I do my makeup. I also picked up 2 of the new NYX Fat Cheeks blushes. This is a Juicy Plump blush, so I think it's supposed to like plump your cheeks, and it's almost like a water stain, I would say. It's a really nice blush formula. I have not tried it out yet, but I did pick up Papaya Plump and also Guava Gush. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these so that you can see them. This is the applicator. It's kind of like the consistency of a cheek stain. So this one is the Guava Gush, which is right here. Beautiful color. And then here is the Papaya Plump, which is a little bit more on the peachy coral side. So here are the 2 shades. Next up, I got the Kylie Cosmetics Dewy Balm. I've been hearing so much good things about this. This is a highlighter stick, and I got it in the shade Lunar Sky. When I got it, it was really hot outside, and mine got a little messed up, so it does not look the best. I'm gonna see if I can add a little bit. I hope I don't mess up my makeup, because my makeup came out really cute today, but I'm gonna add a little bit right here. It just adds like that worn in settled makeup look, like your skin is a little dewy, and you can put this on top of your makeup and it does not mess it up, which is what I really like about it, because a lot of products that are like this, they will lift up the makeup that you have underneath, but this one just did a beautiful job at giving me a highlight and making my skin look dewy. So I'm very excited for this Kylie Cosmetics highlight stick. I also picked up the NYX Buttermilk highlighter in the shade You Butta Work, and this is like a pink highlight. I'm very excited to try this out in a look very soon. It's like a really nice blush topper. I have lotion all over my hands, so I cannot open this, but I will be using this very soon. And last but not least, I had to pick up 2 more shades of the Charlotte Tilbury Unreal Blush Healthy Glow Stick. So I picked up Pinky Glow and Rosy Glow. I already have Peachy Glow, so I'm not gonna be getting any more because I would have been fine with the peachy one, but I really like the formula of these, and I love the packaging too. They're just so pretty. Charlotte Tilbury just gets me with the packaging and just how beautiful everything looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. I have Pinky Glow here. This is Pinky Glow. So these are definitely a little bit more pigmented than other stick formulas I've been testing out. These have pigment in them, and when you blend it out, you still are left with really good pigment to them. So that one is Pinky Glow, and then here we have Rosy Glow, and this one is beautiful too. And there it is, blended out. So I'm very excited to add those two to my blush collection. So that is it for my haul today. Those are the new products that I have picked up from my latest trips to Ulta or online orders, and I cannot wait to test all of this out and do content with them. So with that said, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have any of these products or if you're interested in getting any of these products. And with that said, that's going to be it from me today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video.